Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to fix if you're not if you can't change your profile picture of your YouTube or Gmail. So guys, if you're finding some difficult to change your profile picture on YouTube or Gmail of your Gmail account, then what you have to do here, I will show you and I will fix the problem. So before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the more informative videos every day. So guys, let's go to YouTube first, and then let's go to this option, and then let's go to your channel option. So after going to your channel option, let's go to settings, and then let's click here in the this option in the profile option, but there is no option. Let's check it out, and there is no option. So guys, what you have to do is, if you can't change your profile picture from here, then you have to go to your Chrome browser. Okay, so after going to Chrome browser, you can just log in your account here. So you can go directly from the I will show you how to do this. Let me go to new tab. You can see here you'll find an option, YouTube option here on the below of your screen. So just click on the YouTube icon here, and then it will redirect to you on your page. Now what you have to do is, you have to click on the top right of your screen. You can see three dot. Just click on the three dot and just click on desktop site here. So after clicking to desktop side, it will be easy for you to change your profile picture of YouTube. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the profile here. You can see on the top right of top right corner of your screen, just click here, and then after clicking here, you'll find manage your account. So just click on manage your account option. So here let me just click here and click on manage your account. And then here you can see this is one of my photos. So what you have to do, just click on personal info. So here you can see personal info. So just click here in photos, and then you can select a photo from your computer. So just click on select a photo from a computer, and then you can go to your files here, and then you can just select one picture and you can upload in your channel. It will be automatically updated, but I didn't upload because I don't want to upload that picture, change that picture. So thanks for watching guys. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Bye bye.